This time, we are going to derive formula from PE, or the potential energy. So we know that potential energy is energy which is stored. Okay, anything that is not moving. Okay, kabaliktaran siya ng kinetic energy. And our formula for PE, or potential energy, is mgh, which represents h for height. Okay, this is height, or yung taas. So ang unit natin dyan is meter. We have g as in acceleration due to gravity, which corresponds to meter per second squared, which is 9.8 meter per second squared. And we also have m, which is the mass, at ang unit natin dyan is kilogram. Now, ang topic natin today is how to derive formula from potential energy. So this is the exact formula. Okay, so this is the formula for potential energy. We have to multiply the mass, the acceleration due to gravity, and the height. Meaning, there are two factors that may affect the potential energy. Okay? So now, paano pag ang hinahanap natin yung mass? Paano natin to hahanapin given ang potential, given ang gravity, at given ang height? So, PE equals mgh. So, we will divide both side by gh. So, we can cancel g, gravity, and height. Matitira si m. So, kaya, mayroon tayong m is equals to PE divided by gh. So, this is our formula for the mass. I-get lang natin yung product ng acceleration due to gravity and height. And then, kung ano yung makuha natin dito, we will divide the potential energy from the given gravity and height. So, paano naman pag ang nawawala is yung height, given ang mass, given ang potential energy? Ganun ulit. So, sulat muna natin yung pinaka-main formula, mgh. Then, we will divide both side by mg, so that we can cancel mass and the gravity. So, matitira yung height. So, meron tayong h is equals to potential energy divided by mass times acceleration due to gravity. So, this will be the formula for our height. So, ngayon, meron na tayong tatlong formula. So, paano naman yung g? Hindi na kailangan kasi given naman ang acceleration due to gravity na 9.8 meter per second. So, if you want to ask, ano ba ang nagiging unit ng potential energy? So, potential energy, so, ang m natin is ang height, ang m natin is mass, which is kilogram. So, we have kilogram times acceleration due to gravity, meter per second squared, times height, which is m. So, this is the expanded unit. So, pwede rin tayong kg times, since pares naman siyang m, pwede natin siyang i-multiply, m squared per second squared, or kapag pinag-isa na natin yan, so, the unit, okay, ng PE, okay, so, unit is J or Joule. So, that is the unit of potential energy, which is also the same with kinetic energy.